Workers use an excavator head to cook food when kitchen pans are unavailable. A robotic hand machine attached to a truck precisely places street cones. This ingenious tool paints a wooden grain design onto aluminum posts. Two construction workers attach a rope to a shovel to make labor less strenuous. A tire attached to an excavator head sweeps debris and dirt from streets. A central stud screw guides a worker to cut in an even circular motion through drywall on the ceiling.
Wire anchored firmly using a quick nailing method, strong and secure. It's stunning scale patterns by hand, craftsmanship worth subscribing for. A bottle cap and rope become a quick fix belt in seconds. High-pressure crushers flatten propane tanks flat as pancakes. An excavator bucket with a mounted tire cleans ditch edges perfectly in one pass. A bottle cap becomes a lock for cabinets. Simple, clever, and worth a like. A DIY conveyor lifts dirt upstairs. No buckets, no stairs, just pure efficiency.
Workers haul heavy bags using shoulder strength while keeping their hands free. Old school muscle power. A stone cutter shapes a river rock into a flawless vase without a single crack. textured roller transforms fresh paint into a realistic wood grain on metal. Tools that turn one thing into another? Subscribe worthy. This stone saw slices through giant boulders like they're loaves of bread. A giant sponge catches falling barrels. No breakage, no mess. A waterproofing sealant keeps windows and joints safe from leaks. Railroad tracks swapped out by a machine in minutes. Precision worth a like. A raw ruby cut and polished into a stunning ornament. Pure transformation.